Prominent economist Jomo Kwame Sundaram says the ringgit's weakness cannot be blamed solely on the slump in oil prices. He believes that the loss of confidence in Putrajaya is also among key factors contributing to the steady decline. This as more revelations come out about 1MDB. Jomo says this crisis of public confidence is very serious and has huge implications. One way of restoring confidence, he says, is to mirror the situation in South Korea, whose president has just offered to resign, and Italy, whose prime minister has just stepped down. But what's most important is the transition process, which Jomo says must be well managed and inclusive and ultimately be in the interest of the Malaysian people. 1MDB is reportedly preparing to make a multi-billion-dollar repayment to IPIC with the help of China. 1MDB and the Abu Dhabi state-owned firm are embroiled in a dispute in which IPIC is claiming about $6.5 billion of funds. According to a report by Financial Times, 3 unnamed persons said China has been approached as a source of funds for 1MDB. One of them told FT Putrajaya would swap assets for the financing. However, the report did not state what assets would be swapped. FT also quoted an email reply from 1MDB chief Arul Kanda, who told the Daily that the beleaguered state fund does not have anything further to add to previous statements in relation to the dispute. To recap, IPIC and 1MDB reached an impasse earlier this year regarding a bailout deal. IPIC is accusing 1MDB of failing to satisfy its part, while 1MDB insists that it has fulfilled its obligations. IPIC is now pursuing its claim in the London Court of International Arbitration. UK's MP Evans has agreed to sell its 37% stake in JV firm PT Agro Muko for $100 million. This as it continues to fend off a takeover from Kuala Lumpur Kepong. The AIM-listed company will sell the stake to its Belgian partner, Sipave Group, which already holds a 47% stake in PT Agro Muko. The total sale consideration amounts to $13,860 per planted hectare in the Indonesian unit Sumatra. The price comprises $13,000 per planted hectare in addition to the value of the company's net current assets. Its chairman, Peter Hadsley Chaplin, says the sale price is close to an independent valuation figure of $13,100 per planted hectare. That's another compelling reason to reject KLK's offer, which implies a value of $9,700 per planted hectare. If the sale goes through, MP Evans plans to pay a special dividend of 10 pence per share. Myanmar has banned workers from going to Malaysia after PM Najib lashed out against its de facto leader Aung San Suu Kyi. This over a bloody military crackdown on its Rohingya Muslim minority. According to Myanmar Times, Myanmar's Immigration Ministry announced yesterday that it has ceased issuing new licenses for its nationals to work in Malaysia starting 6 December. Citing a spokesman from the Myanmar Overseas Employment Agencies Federation, or MOEAF, the Daily reported that this is believed to be a response to Najib's move, as well as a form of retaliation as Myanmar expects Malaysian companies to face difficulties without its workers. According to the Human Resources Ministry, there are 141,858 Myanmar labourers in Malaysia. The MOEAF, however, estimates that there are between 500,000 to 700,000 Myanmar citizens living and working here. Tanjong Offshore is venturing into the aerospace industry in a bid to diversify its business. Its wholly owned subsidiary T7 Aero signed an MOU with UK-based Kilgore Metal Treatments today to jointly develop a metal treatment plant here in Malaysia. Kilgore Metal Treatment is a part of Kilgore Aerospace Group, which makes aerospace components and assemblies. Company chairman Nick Noor Zultani said Tanjong can no longer depend on the shaky oil and gas sector, although it remains its core focus. The plant is still in its early stages, but Tanjong is confident that it will be able to reap profit from the venture in 1 to 2 years' time. It's currently talking to UMW Holdings to build its plant within UMW Aerospace's facility space in Serenda. The metal treatment components will then be exported to Southeast Asian markets.